Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone and notification sound in your Motorola H30 Neo. So first of all, go to the settings here and go to the sound and lights. Now scroll down and you can choose now here the ringtone for the slot 1. Okay, and the ringtone for the slot 2. And there is no option for the notification sound, but you can choose only the ringtone for your phone. Yeah, default that notification sound is here, so you can choose notification sound here. Soft, natural, I know the motor sound, it looks way better, and you can choose the alarm sound if you want some other. And that's it, you have changed your ringtone and notification sound. And that's it, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!